Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group with the Morning Market Stir for Wednesday, April the 5th. Quiet consolidation day yesterday, no new highs in the NDX, so that's a point of news. We saw the markets up a bit as far as stock indexes go. The Dow was a leader, up about 35 points yesterday, a 1/5% gain. The headline was crude oil, continuing to push now that we're above that nifty 50. Yesterday's high was 51.30, was a session high. It was up 2% on the day, 51 up 80 cents. So a nice push now in that crude oil market that's supporting some of those energy stocks. Gold got up close to those recent highs, got as high as 1264, ended up closing at 1258, still a gain on the session there. And the euro was quiet, staying right at that 107 level. So after the quiet market yesterday, where do things stand Wednesday morning? We're getting a pop. We had the ADP numbers come out. The private payroll numbers higher than expected, 263,000 jobs added, a precursor to Friday's unemployment number. So the markets are getting a boost. Big bounce here. S&P right now is up 15, the Dow's up 150 plus, and the NASDAQ is now made new all-time highs once again, amazingly there, up 25 points in the NDX. So if we look at the S&P, importantly, it's above that it's above the 64 level. The S&P level 2364 was the halfway point of the all-time highs March 1st down to those recent lows last week, and we're above that midpoint pivot. Now, if we see a retracement again, a full V recovery back to new highs, that targets 2475, about 5% higher, so more upside using that technical technique there. Looking at the markets right now, crude oil continues to move higher. That's supportive of stocks, up about 50 cents at 51.60 right now. Gold's giving back some of the recent gains, down $8 or $9 right now at the 1250 level, and the currency markets are steady ahead of the president talking with the Chinese Premier Xi here on Thursday. So to summarize, the stock market gets started here this morning. Some strength once again, NDX making new all-time highs, Dow up 150, and the S&P above its midpoint pivot right now. We are up 15 points in the S&P as it stands. One last thing to point out here is we have the Fed minutes coming out later today. There's a 5% chance of a rate hike here in May, according to the CME Fed tool, and about a 55% chance in June. So it's in the pipeline. Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.